Merci beaucoup.
En anglais, on dit quoi? Les riz en anglais, on dit quoi?
Riz.
Riz seulement.
Rice.
Oui.
Ah, wax.
Rice.
Et les crevettes?
Prawns.
Ah, prendre.
Est-ce que je peux mettre les crevettes dessus?
Oui.
Oui, voilà. Merci.
Well, I think shotguns they just changed to 21. You can have a pistol.
Yeah, because
You
shotguns
can have a pistol
for self-defense.
at 18.
You can't use a.
Ah, ils peuvent avoir des armes à 18 ans. Aux États-Unis maintenant.
AK,
Ah,
22 rifle.
I don't know how to say. Je sais pas. If you get it as a gift, there's no age limit.
Oui.
Wesh.
Wait.
Alors, it has to become a point where it's like, where the question, where's the line get drawn?
Oui.
Because they have, here in France, like, the fact that some kid can pick up a gun and go massacre a school. That happens in the rest of the world, it's extremely rare. In America, it's a very common. Like, how many school shootings have there been since 2015? Over 300?
Yeah.
There was almost one every single day in America last year.
Yeah, I think there was like 3 days after there wasn't a mass shooting. Il y avait 3 jours l'année dernière aux États-Unis, il n'y avait pas un mass shooting.
Ah oui.
Que 3 jours. Merci beaucoup.
En anglais, on dit quoi? Les riz en anglais, on dit quoi?
Riz.
Riz seulement.
Rice.
Oui.
Ah, wax.
Rice.
Et les crevettes?
Prawns.
Ah, prendre.
Est-ce que je peux mettre les crevettes dessus?
Oui.
Oui, voilà. Merci.